Are you struggling with fast and efficient building construction? Frustrated by the slow and costly column erection process? Introducing PEB Steel Building Column Erection. Contractors provide solution for accelerating construction timelines while maintaining exceptional quality. Our advanced techniques are designed to streamline the installation of steel columns, reducing labor and time costs significantly. With our expertise, you can ensure a quick, safe, and reliable construction process, enabling you to meet deadlines with ease. When completing your building project on time and within budget, thanks to our innovative steel erection solutions. Our dedicated team is committed to delivering precision and excellence, providing you with the support you need every step of the way. Whether it's for industrial, commercial, or custom projects, we handle it all with unmatched efficiency. To know more details, contact us today to get free consultation or visit our website, link in description. Don't forget, like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.